This is the Cherry Pick channel. Python tutorial videos. No serious program can be written without comparison operators. In order to build branches of logic, we need to compare values. Consider the basic operators. First, we can compare numbers with each other. The result of the comparison will always be a Boolean type true or false. Let's look at these operators. Let A be 5 and B be 3. A is greater than B. The result is true, 5 is greater than 3. A is less than A, the result is false. But if we ask A less than or equal to A, we get the result true, since 5 is equal to 5. If you put a space between them, there will be an error. A is equal to B. No. A is not equal to B, right? You can compare strings, but since Python is case sensitive, the same string written with a large and small letter will not be equal. Not only can two values be compared, but it is also very common when we need to compare an interval. You've already seen this example where we need to get an interval of values. Note that if we just put a sign greater or less, then the extreme values do not fall into this interval. If we need to include extreme values, then we use the greater than or equal sign written without a space. We can use the strict comparison operator or we can build a chain. For prime numbers, this expression looks convenient, but if you need to compare variables, it is more convenient to read the code written using the AND operator. When we compare words, the following happens. Python finds the ASCII number corresponding to the sign in the table and compares its numeric value. Let's see what numbers our letters have in the ASCII table. To do this, use the OR function. Then there is an ordinary arithmetic comparison to the first different sign. If the letters A are equal, then Python looks at the next sign and compares already B and C. The deeper into the alphabet, the larger the number, which means the weight when comparing will be greater. And that's where Python stops the comparison. No summation of characters occurs. If I add the Z sign with the number 122 to the first line, then the second line is still larger for Python. The ASCII table has all the letters. Let's say I check the Russian letter Ya, or the Spanish letter N. Everyone has their own number. As well as numbers and punctuation marks. The inverse function is CHR.